Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect your Canon PIXMA G3010 printer to a laptop. We will cover the two primary methods, a direct USB connection and a convenient wireless setup. First, we will prepare both your printer and your laptop to ensure a smooth installation. Then, we will walk through each connection type with clear, easy-to-follow steps. Finally, we will discuss some common troubleshooting tips to help you resolve any issues that might arise during the process. Connecting your G3010 printer via a USB cable is often the simplest method. First, make sure your printer is powered on and connect one end of a USB cable to the printer and the other end to an available USB port on your laptop. Next, you will need to install the printer drivers, which can usually be found on the Canon support website or an installation disk. Once the drivers are installed, navigate to your laptop's printer settings and add the new device. Finally, print a test page to confirm everything is working perfectly. For a more flexible setup, connecting your G3010 wirelessly is an excellent option. Begin by using your printer's control panel to connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. Once the printer is connected to the network, download and run the Canon wireless setup software on your laptop. This software will guide you through finding and connecting to your printer over the network. After the setup is complete, try printing a document wirelessly from your laptop to ensure the connection is stable and functional. Sometimes, you might encounter small hiccups during the setup process. If your printer is not connecting, first double-check all physical cable connections and confirm the printer has power. A simple restart of both your printer and your laptop can often resolve minor communication issues. If problems persist, consider updating or reinstalling your printer drivers, as outdated drivers are a common cause of connectivity problems. For more specific issues, the Canon support website offers valuable resources and troubleshooting guides for your G3010 model.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.